Yo guys. Okay, so we tested the bike once and I need to refill with some coolant and oil, and I need to restart it again and see if it actually doesn't leak any liquids, because it seems like it was a lot of high pressure in the bike which made it leak. So we'll just have to double check and see if it doesn't leak anymore. A solution about if it leaks over, it will go into this holder. It will go out of these tubes if it leaks again, and then hopefully I don't need to spill all over the floor. So let's just check see if this works. Okay, moment of truth. Let's try again. Shock.